Hey everybody, Art Edmonds here for Lazy Days, checking out another amazing fifth wheeler. It's the 2022 Grand Design Momentum 381 MS. Take a look at this. It's prepped and ready with a generator space ready to go. And you're gonna love not one, not two, but 3 awnings. Can you imagine the incredible campground you can create? And maybe you can sit back and watch a game on your exterior flat screen TV. This fifth wheeler has a fantastic retractable patio space in the rear, and it has a 60-gallon fueling station for all of your gas-powered toys. Come on in. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice are the beautiful finishes of this fifth wheeler. The main bedroom has an RV king-size bed, plus a washer and dryer hookup. In the bathroom, you'll notice the glassed-in shower with multi-port shower head, skylight, and seat. Stepping into the kitchen, and you'll see a gorgeous residential-sized refrigerator, 18 cubic feet. Great finishes throughout, plus a 4-burner gas stove, full-size microwave. And when you're ready for entertainment choices, how about this massive flat-screen TV and a beautiful fireplace? Time to recline? Well, how about a reclining couch with built-in massage, heat, and phone charging capability? You gotta store all your stuff somewhere, right? Well, how about a 15-foot garage? Come take a look. Well, not only does this garage have room for all of your toys, it also has an extra half bathroom, plus lots of additional sleeping options like bunk over garage and a drop-down queen-size bed. Plus, your dining table has seating for 6, and that can also go completely away to create more space. Well, there you have it, the 2022 Grand Design Momentum 381 MS. It has it all. 3 awnings, a 15-foot garage, its washer, dryer, and generator prepped, and it's here ready for you at Lazy Days RV.